Today we're going to show you how to change your paddle shifters from this to this. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Today, we are going to show you how to upgrade your paddle shifters, doesn't matter if you have an F80 or an F30, to these amazing looking carbon fiber paddle shifter extensions. So as you saw in part one, we added this unbelievable looking piece of carbon, and as we just told you, we are completely upgrading these paddle shifters. So let's take a moment and talk about that for a second. So here we have a stock paddle shifter. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to install this. So to do this job, you will need a pick tool. On the side, there is this little plastic bar that holds this entire thing together. So basically, look for the side that has the small hole. So there's a small hole, and there's also a bigger one. And you're going to take it, you take a pick tool, and you're going to push from the smaller side and push it out, just like that. And you're gonna pull this out completely. Then what you're going to do, I like to hold it like this and then push it back and rock it out. So again, push it back and rock it out. Inside, there are two little pieces that may fly out. There's this little spring, which goes on this little notch right there. And then there's this little piece of plastic right there that actually presses the buttons down. So if you get confused in any way, this goes there, and then the spring goes just like that. But we're not quite ready for this yet, so let's just put this in a safe location. Next, what we need to do is we need to transfer over these little plastic pieces to the new ones. You can either transfer over the old ones, or you can use the new ones that we provide with the kit. We'll just reuse this one. So what we're gonna do is just remove this little screw from the middle here. Okay, it's very tiny, be careful not to drop it. Then this back will just come off, just like that. So again, just comes straight off. Then this piece here, there are these two little retaining clips. So you just have to get a small Torx bit or something like that, or a pick tool, release that, and then this will come out, just like that. So then once I have it like this, you can see that it looks pretty much the same. The only thing is this one is carbon. So what we can do is we can get that old plastic holder, and you go like this, and you slide it into place. Then you get this back portion here, and that's gonna go on just like that. And then you get that little screw and you replace it. Then you're gonna tighten it down just like that. Then you're gonna take the back portion again, and the side with the springs has these two little tabs that stick out. And as you'll notice over here, there are these two little areas that they hook into. So I like to put that in and then slide it back so it locks into place. Then you take that little pin, and then this time you put it from the big side to the skinny side. Push it through, make sure that everything clicks, and your paddle shifter is now fully installed and ready to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do that exact same thing. We're probably just going to time lapse a little bit through it, but I'm going to do it while the paddle shifter is still on the car. It's just much easier to show you what to do with the paddle completely off, because I am going to be in somewhat of a confined area. So at this time, I'm going to get started. These are basically just held in by a T20. There's a T20 over here on an angle, a T20 over here on an angle, and then it's going to give you just a little bit of slack with the wire. We're going to swap out the paddles and show you how cool it looks. this point of the process, the paddles are fully installed. They feel incredible and they look incredible. So I'm going to put the airbag back in, just plug that in, and make sure that everything is straight, and just clip it into place. And then we can reconnect our battery, but these look and they feel incredible. It's such a huge addition. It's such a small piece, but it adds so much, and I think it's still very tasteful. It's not overdoing it by any means. For any of the parts and tools we use in today's video, be sure to see the description. We have links to absolutely everything. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching and have a great day.